Okay, so I have in this I have being very
You don't have to explain. Just
very
throw it.
specific, but the second line also matters.
Calcutta Chinese for breakfast.
Breakfast is personal, but today we will reveal this to everyone. Welcome to Guess the Breakfast. Here's how the game works. हमारे पास 2 teams हैं and one player from each team goes head to head in every round. Each player then secretly thinks of their ideal breakfast and writes it in a piece of paper. The opponent then gets 5 questions to figure it out. बस 5 ही सवाल to understand what kind of breakfast they're thinking of. और सवाल कुछ भी हो सकते हैं. Sweet or savory, coffee person or chai person, light breakfast or a full feast meal. Once the questions are done, the opponent places the breakfast order based on their guess. और फिर आता है खाना. And it's time for the reveal. And we see how accurate the guess actually was. ऑर्डर किया हुआ खाना जितना क्लोज होगा उस टीम को उतने ही पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे. At the end, the team with the highest score wins. So sit back and enjoy Guess the Breakfast.
Hi, I'm Divya.
Hello. Hi, I'm Shubhadeep. Okay.
Hi, I'm Chetna. Hi everyone, I'm Selena. Is this for his channel?
Hi, my name is Sitaprash Chaudhary. और मेरी 20 साल की उम्र से
एक टांग नकली है. मैं हॉकी का बहुत बड़ा खिलाड़ी था.
बस उतना ही.
वो हम ठीक करते हैं.
So hi guys, myself Mohan.
पानी मिल सकता है क्या? Hi guys, I am Ayushi.
So what kind of cuisine do you like in your breakfast? North Indian, South Indian, Odia?
Odia, of course.
It's so simple.
So you are a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian?
If you count the fish out of it, I'm a non-vegetarian.
Okay.
So whatever you like, do you order at home or they sell it at stores and shops or they sell it like roadside somewhere?
Like I prefer the roadside. So you prefer heavy breakfast or light?
I'll say heavy.
Okay.
Is it like a staple thing that most Odia people have?
Huh. Or like spicy or non-spicy?
Spicy any day.
Any day spicy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you usually order it or you go outside and have your breakfast?
Go outside.
I think I have to guess. Can I guess? Yep, I think I'm ready for it.
Vegetarian, non-vegetarian?
Non-vegetarian, no brainer.
Of course, you need your proteins. Spicy, non-spicy?
Spice shish. Okay,
Yours.
my turn?
Yeah.
Veg, non-veg.
Veg.
Junk or healthy?
I could do both. Taste matters.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I can eat anything for breakfast, like anything, but not Indian. Not my favorite part.
Okay.
Orissa or outside Orissa? Like Oria or outside Oria?
That's a tough one. Odia.
Last one, okay. When you eat that, does the gravy drip to your forearm?
Are we done with 5 questions, guys?
No, but you have to answer that. You have to
We're
answer
done with 5
that.
questions,
It's a
right?
very important question. You have to answer that. I'm not going without getting the answer for that. Does it drip here like all other breakfast of Orissa?
But that depends on whether or not it has gravy, and I cannot confirm or deny whether or not it has
Okay,
gravy.
I can take a wild guess now.
I think he has a wild guess. Yeah, so not Indian, not spice-ish, needs non-vegetarian. And how heavy? Or heavy or light?
Heavyish.
Heavy-ish,
Yeah.
spice-ish. Breakfast-ish? I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I think I know what I want to order. Yeah.
That's quick.
Yeah. It's you, so there's no point asking the cuisine much. Okay, I can narrow it down. So, would you like something Odia or any other Indian cuisine?
For breakfast, I think Odia will do.
Okay. Let's see.
So are you a veg or non-veg?
Non-veg mostly.
Non.
Yeah, but I don't like mutton. Sweet or
No. Spicy one.
spicy?
Yeah.
Spicy. Okay.
So is it the breakfast is English or something Indian?
I can have either.
You can have either.
Yeah.
Why are you giving me two answers? Just
I
give
gave
me
you one answer. I said no mutton. I said that. I was very specific.
Nobody eats mutton in breakfast.
I don't know.
ठीक है.
I have how many questions left?
None.
Okay. Shut up.
Is it something which you get in the street level or some place fancy?
What do you think? No. When it comes to breakfast, I think maybe not fancy. Can you also have it as other meals? Like, would that be okay?
I think you are asking about if I can have it.
Yeah. Lunch or dinner.
Yeah.
You can. Okay. ठीक है.
I can. I don't know about everybody else, but I can.
ठीक है. I'll try eating.
I've done the 5 questions.
No.
Are we?
No.
Yeah, I think so. Maybe one more.
Yeah. Last question. Is it something healthy?
Definitely not.
Definitely not.
What type of cuisine do you like? North Indian, South Indian?
I like South Indian. Okay, so are you vegetarian or non-vegetarian? Of course, I know.
Non-veg. Okay. Do you like spicy food or something light in the breakfast?
Like spicy. Depend upon my mood.
Okay. Diplomatic answer.
Yes. Okay, so what kind of meal do you prefer? Like heavy or light?
Depends on my mood. Like depends on the day also. Do you order your breakfast from Zomato, Swiggy, or you go and have your breakfast?
I go and have this.
How you would rate your food preference from 1 to 10? How regular you often have in a week?
What?
In a week, once in a week.
You let me know once you both are ready.
Yep.
Okay. Anil, are you done?
Yeah.
Alright.
$2,000 years later.
Right, not draw. Why are you drawing?
I'm writing.
One eternity later.
Girl. क्या देख क्या रहा है?
एग्जाम थोड़ी चल रहा है, आप ऐसे छुपा के लिख रहे हो जो.
तो देख के ऑर्डर करेगा फिर बोलेगा I won. No cheating. No.
Ready?
Ready?
Yes.
Okay. It's a wrap. Not something that I don't like, but good. I have to taste it though. Ooh.
Nice.
Did I get it right?
Yes.
Knew it. Loser.
कौन सा मंगाया भाई?
बहुत सही है. बोल दो.
How much would you rate the order?
10 on 10.
7.5.
Alright.
2, 1, let's go.
Okay.
Okay. This is something which my wife would like better than me.
Just eat it, man. So
Yeah.
it's the wrong thing? Do you know what this is?
Yeah, this is pasta.
No.
This is, I know, this is egg.
It's egg bruschetta.
Egg.
Egg bruschetta.
Egg. That's too tough for me, but yeah, I know it.
I thought you wanted
I
to.
got everything correct.
How do you know?
That's guguni. But this is very good. Where do you get this from?
Boca. What?
I know.
Is this your ideal breakfast also? It has no
I
egg.
like it.
The white chutney slap.
Wait a minute.
Will you order it for me tomorrow?
No. Tomorrow I'll give you.
Is it the same breakfast that you had in your...
Oh,
What is it?
doi vada or South Indian? This is Bora and South Indian.
So I
somewhere.
got both of them
So
together.
I guess 0.5?
Huh? 0.79.
0.5. 0.5.
Okay, so I have in this I have being very
You don't have to explain. Just
very
go ahead.
specific, but the second line also matters.
Calcutta Chinese
So I-
for breakfast.
He's the founder, he can have anything.
Like what? Please explain.
Fried rice, chili chicken, chicken chow mein.
I don't mind losing this round. Thank you guys. That's been my time. Aloo? What is this?
That's a sandwich.
That's a sandwich.
Yeah, breakfast.
It's nice.
तो पॉइंट मिलेगा ना अगर
वो
आपने
तो reveal
लिखा भी नहीं होगा तो पॉइंट मिल जाएगा
क्यों मिलेगा?
Nice
जो
food
मैंने
आपने-
तो नाइस है तो फूड तो आई लाइक फूड मैं तो ये भी खा लूँ दे No, but this is good. This is good. आज मैं खाऊँ चू ग्रिल चिकन सैंडविच
ये नहीं करना फाउंडर हो ये मेरा जॉब है
मुझे पता है तो इसीलिए शूट करा रहा है ताकि हम फूड रिव्यू भी हो रहा है
न्यू इंस्टाग्राम पेज कमिंग सून
देखा मैंने बोला था विल सपोर्ट यू
या
ओके यू डू गेट द पॉइंट्स आई डू लाइक
लिखो पॉइंट मिला है लिखो
कैन वी रिवील व्हाट आर आंसर्स वर
या
This is gonna be. Should I reveal to him first?
नो
मेरा टोला नहीं आया टोला और अब भी खेल है खेले रोज लगावे
That's because I saw someone in the office having this today, so I really want.
चेंज नहीं कर सकते ना
No, but okay, like I said, I'll give you the points because generally I am.
फिर ठीक है फिर तो चलेगा
It's just my mood was this today. That's.
क्या
देखा?
करते हैं मूडी आदमी
दिखाओ. देखा देखा.
so this is mine
I've been really trying baby
it's a typical Odia breakfast dahi vada aloo dum you know I love it आपको पता था
Sorry. तू रोज खाता है ना? I thought you would want to have something different today.
2, 3.
ये क्या है अच्छा रैप वैप है क्या
आई थिंक गलत प्लेट दे दिया है डोसा के साथ आलू सब्जी दी है
स्टॉक्स डाउन हो गया जल्दी
पहले ही तुम्हारी -5 हो चुकी है तो चुप रहो तुम
सब्जी में नहीं मंगाया था ये तो है
अच्छा है
ऑप्शन ठीक है बट 10 से 7
तुम्हारा ऑलरेडी -5 है तो मैं 5 पे ही तुमको जज कर रही हूँ
ठीक है
यस
देखता हूँ
How's the food, guys?
Very nice.
Not good. So guys, मुझे डोसा के साथ आलू की सब्जी मिली है. ये लोग बोल रहे हैं प्रिटेंड करो कि ये सांभर है, लेकिन ये सांभर नहीं है, तो मैं प्रिटेंड कैसे करूं?
Can we reveal what your correct answers were?
वो इसमें डाला है.
इतना बड़ा दिखा है मछली.
पेपर इतना बड़ा है, तू बोल रहा है.
South Indian food, dosa.
देखा?
Yes, but इसमें सांभर नहीं है.
तो मेरा गलती नहीं है, मैं ऑर्डर किया था वो. बढ़िया तो है.
लिखा रहा है.
हो गया ना?
खाने दे बे.
ये वीडियो हो गया.
क्या है ये?
हाँ.
ये आलू दाना है, दूसरा काम है इसमें.
डोसा खा लिया मैंने.
बढ़िया है भाई, शॉर्मा क्रेजी है ये वाला.
बात दिव्या, तेरे बारे में भी कहेगा, इसके बारे में भी कहेगा.
जो खाने का आदत है. गाली है, खाना समझ नहीं आ रहा.
If you like this video, guys, please do like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more of this fun BTS and health content.
खा लिया ये.
खाने पे फोकस.
Okay, can we all together say like, share, subscribe?
Yes.
Good.
Who won? We won, right? We won. No, we won.
We won.
You'll get it.
अरे team
हम लोग
A.
हो गया.
टीम बी.
आप पता चल गया.
कैसे? मैं ये गलत है, ये गलत है.
Like, share, subscribe.
गाइस कमेंट. हारो.
Okay.